Hello students, let us learn English grammar, correct use of adjective. The double form of comparative and superlative of adjectives are used in different ways. Let us see where we use elder, eldest. We use elder when we speak about two family members such as brothers, sisters, cousins, etc. For example, my elder son, his elder daughter. Eldest. We use eldest when we speak about three or more family members. For example, his eldest brother is 5 years older than he is. I am the eldest of 3 children. Her eldest child is nearly 10. Let us see now where we use older and oldest. We use older and oldest for people, animals, objects, etc. in general. Older than the oldest of all. For example, Bob is older than Molly. Barbara is the oldest of all. Let us see now the use of later and latter. Later and latter. Later refers to time. Latter refers to position or second of two persons or things mentioned previously. For example, of the two options offered, I prefer the latter. Let's have coffee later in the week. We have a dog and a cat. Of the two, the latter makes less noise. Carrie plans to shop for a dress later this afternoon. Let us see the use of the word latest and last. Latest is the newest or most up to date. It refers to time. For example, allow me to sing to you my latest and best song. Her dresses were always of the latest fashion. Last, occurring or coming after all others, as in time, order or place. For example, sorry I am late. Am I the last? They were the last to arrive. Let us see the use of further and farther. Further, we use further when we talk about distance. For example, Sam is further than John on the assignments. You can only gain by further study. Further information can be obtained from the head office. Farther, we use farther when we talk about physical distance. For example, how much farther is it to the airport? I am tired and cannot walk any farther. We decided not to go any farther. Let us see now the usage of the word next nearest. Nearest is used for place. It is used referred to people or things which are most near in space. For example, the nearest railway station is 2 kilometers away. Next is used to talk about time or position in a series. It means after this, that one. For example, the boy next door is a little careless about truth. Who is sitting next to Peter? Let us see now the use of word less and fewer. Less refers to uncountable nouns, collective nouns and bulk amounts. For example, I earn less money than a policeman. Many of us maybe eat less sugar. I sleep less than my father. Fewer. We use fewer when talking about things or people in the plural. It is used to countable nouns and individual items. For example, I bought fewer books this year. They have got fewer problems than they used to have. Now I have got fewer tasks than I have used to have. Let us see the use of some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentences expressing quantity or degree. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentences expressing quantity or degree. For example, there is some milk in the fridge. There aren't any books in the bag. Is there any food in the fridge? I am hungry. Let us see the usage of much and many. Much is used with uncountable nouns to indicate a large quantity. It is mostly used in negative questions or sentences. For example, how much is the entrance fee? She does not visit much anymore. Don't rely too much on others. Many is used with plural nouns. It means a lot of. For example, does she want many dresses? How many cars in the gallery? Mary has many cats. So students, today we have learned correct use of adjective.